Good morning, dear friends. Today I am going to perform an activity, and the name of the activity is Fall Syllable Game. So, this is an activity in which the students will learn about the pronunciation of the words, where we have to break the words, where we have to use the words, and where we have to break the words so that we can easily pronounce the words. So let us start this activity. Here I am having a few flashcards. So this is my column 1 and this is column 2, and in column 1 and column 2 I have taken some of the words, and the first word is PIC, pick. Second word is WIN, win. Third word is IN, in. So here in this column, every word is having some sounds. Every word is having a vowel sound. So our vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Here the child must be familiar with the vowels before starting this activity. So what the child will do, the child will match the column 1 with the column B, that is syllable column A and syllable in column B. So here we have to introduce the pronunciation, the practice of pronunciation in our classes, so that the student must know how to break the word and how many syllables are in one word. For example, we are having syllable PIC, pick. So in this pick there is a vowel I, and then we will join PIC, pick, with nick word, NIC, nick. So this becomes picnic. Then here we are having one more word, that is WIN, win. Here the syllable word win, ter. So this becomes word winter. Now what we have to do, we have to introduce vowel, that is sound. Sound PIC, pick. So vowel here is I. I vowel, pick. So before the vowel we have to break the word. So this becomes pick. So I sound, pick, nick, pick, nick. Then is word is win. This is win syllable with ter syllable. This becomes winter. So here there are two syllable in winter. Word is winter, but we are having two syllable in word winter. So then we are having I and in. So here I is the vowel and then index. So here we must introduce our music system so that the students can pronounce the words correctly. Then here I will use my music system. For example, if we want to know the names of our students in the class, they can participate in this game by telling their names. For example, this is my music system, and for example, the name of a child is, we can make students to participate in this activity by telling their names. For example, the name of one girl in my class is Ojaswini. So Ojaswini. Ojaswini. So here in Ojaswini word, child can himself understand the word is having three syllable. Ojaswini. Winnie. So Otisvini is having 3 syllable. That means a child know that his name is having 3 syllable. Then he can easily broke the word, and even he can read and write the spellings of his of her name properly and correctly. So here there are also few words. For example, word cry. For example, I am taking a word cry, and in this word cry, cry. So here we can easily sound the word cry. It sounds cry. So E is the vowel. E vowel. So here is the E vowel. That means it is having only one syllable. It is having only one syllable. So only one syllable. Cry. Cry. So we can't break this word. We are not able to break the word because it is having only one syllable. Now, for example, we are having a word that is beautiful. Beautiful. So beau means A, and before the A we have to break this. That is beauty. Then again it is I sound, beauty, then full. So here 3 syllable, beautiful. Beautiful. So with this we can also go through some words where we can see 2 vowels. In some words we can see 2 vowels. For example, word is sweet, SWEET, sweet. So here what we have to do, if there are 2 vowels in a word, that is sweet, sweet, again E sound is here. We can't say E and E. Here there is only one sound, that is the sound of a E. So if there is sound of a E, that means only one syllable. So sweet, that is sweet, only one syllable. So that is all for my activity, and thank you and have a nice day.